Hi, today we're going to be making a no-bake Neapolitan cheesecake. It's going to consist of the 3 flavours, strawberry, vanilla and chocolate, and it's meant to be easy. Okay, we have chocolate ripple biscuits, but they want us to use 200 grams. We might add a little bit more depending on how it looks. We have 100 grams, or we're going to use 100 grams of unsalted butter, melted. Then we're going to be, for the filling, we're going to be using gelatin powder, and then the cold water, which is a quarter of a cup of cold water, and then they want us to use 500 grams of the cream cheese, which is the Philadelphia cream cheese, or whatever cream cheese you want to use. And then sweetened condensed milk, it's 395 gram tin of condensed milk, and that's what they want us to use. Then for the flavour, for the colour of the strawberry, we'll be using the pink food coloring. Then the vanilla imitation flavouring for the vanilla. Cream cheese, the thickened cream, they want us to be using 300 millilitres. This is a 600 milliliter cream, so we're using half of that. And last, the cocoa powder, which is 1 tablespoon exactly. Okay, I've got my spring-loaded pan here, or spring base pan. Is it spring base? I don't know what it is. Anyway, yeah, so it's measuring, it should be measuring about 22 centimeters. I'm not sure if this one was exactly, but anyway. We've got the paper here and the base here. So I've just found this hack out actually. So what you do is you put the paper here, spread it across the base, and then when you put this one and open it up, and then when you open it up, put it over the top and then close it. And there you go. Now we're going to cut the margarine, or the butter, and we want 100 grams of this. So this has got like the grams on the side, so it's pretty easy to know where to go. So we'll cut down here, cut that bit off. It's going to be really difficult. Right, so that's our 100 grams of butter. It might not be exactly 100 grams, but it'll do. Now we want to crush the biscuits. So I'll need to get a sandwich bag for that. Okay, we're back with a sandwich bag, a large sandwich bag, and a rolling pin, so we can start smashing up our biscuits. Now, they say to use 200 grams, but I might use a little bit more, only so it covers the pan evenly. So we'll do a roll at a time. They say to do it, well, it might be easier to do it in the food processor, but I don't have a food processor, so I just do it the old-fashioned way. There's our crushed biscuits. Well, that's all of them anyway. Now we've got to add these to the bowl, and they come out like breadcrumbs. There we go. Now we're going to melt the butter and make the base. Okay, we're back with the butter melted. So that's, again, that was 100 grams of unsalted butter. And then we add it to the bowl of the biscuits. Right. And then we'll stir that in. Now that's all in there stirred up, and we grab our pan, and then we put all of the biscuits in the pan. Like that. Now we spread it out evenly. Really good. See the back of or the bottom of a cup measure will do the job really well too. We'll flatten it out there, just so, and then we can put this aside and work on the filling. Okay, we're going to make the filling. We've got the Philadelphia cheese in a bowl. So we're going to open up the cream cheese. Right, now that we've got that out of the way with, we've got the 2 cream cheese blocks in the bowl, and we're going to put the condensed milk in there too. And these are going to be combined together, hopefully. I've already got the blender. So hopefully that'll be enough. I'll just get a spoon and get the rest of that out. Now I've got the condensed milk and the Philadelphia cheese in the same bowl. We can now proceed to blend it. Okay, so we've got a pot. We're waiting for the water to simmer so we can start to dissolve the gelatin for the cheesecake. Yeah, so we'll be back with that shortly. Okay, so now that that's come to the simmer, we'll add the 1/4 of a cup of cold water, and then to that they tell us to add 3 teaspoons of gelatin and sprinkle over the top. Okay, so I think that's done cooling as much as I want it to cool. So this then goes into the mixture, and we'll blend it up. Okay, so we've got the 2 extra bowls and we're about to divide them evenly between each other. So we'll get this one, and one you need the vanilla extract in there, and then the other one you'll need to have the strawberry flavouring and also the pink colouring as well. And then the next one's the chocolate, so that's why I say to divide the 3, because you'll have the 3 flavours. Okay, so now we're going to look at cream. They tell us to use the 300 grams of cream, so we'll be using approximately half of this container if I can get her open. There we go. So hopefully I'll be able to judge this right. Yeah, about that. There we go. Cool. Now we're going to whip this up. Now, we want to then put that cream aside for now. Get the 3 bowls ready. 1 bowl we want to make cocoa flavoured, and then we want to make vanilla and another one, and then a strawberry. So we've got to stir in the pink food colouring in one. So I'll just open that up and come back. Right, at the moment we're going to start with the pink strawberry one. Now we'll make this one a strawberry one. It says on the instructions to add, I don't know, it doesn't tell me. I'll just add a little bit in at a time. Let's see how pink we can get it. Now, because of this one's vanilla, we don't really have to worry about adding any food colouring in this, but we'll add some flavour. And they say to add, what is it, 1.5 teaspoons of flavour. Okay, hopefully this angle is easier for you guys to see. So this is the condensed milk mixture, and this is the whipped cream. Then they say to, I've got my ingredients list and stuff here. Okay, so I want to get as much of this, 1/3 of this into that. Okay, so we want to fold it in so it doesn't lose that air. So what we do is we get each of our colour and we dollop just a spoonful into the base, right? And it doesn't matter what or where, what colour you want, what colour you want where or whatever. It doesn't matter. Yeah, so you can decide to have it wherever you want. So that's the pink. Okay, and so now once we've got it all equal, even, we can then swirl the top. So just get the end of a spoon or something and just swirl the colours together. Okay, so now that it's all been prettified, we can put it in the fridge and set it, and we'll bring it out tomorrow morning and do the big reveal and taste test, and we will rate it from 0 to 5 stars. Okay. Okay, it's the next morning and this is the end result. So we'll pop it out of the pan and we'll start cutting into it and see how it is in the middle. Okay, and as you can see, this is the end result. Now for the taste test. I'm just going to try this at home. Alright, well thank you for watching my video, and as all the YouTubers say, please like, share, subscribe and comment down below. And also, if you want more of this content, please hit that bell notification to tell when I post more. Thank you.